If you're about to replace the cartridge on a Hansgrohe AXOR Citterio bathroom faucet, knowing the right tools and tricks can save you a ton of hassle. So, first off, you'll probably need a deep socket wrench to get the cartridge out, and from what I've seen, a 24mm deep socket usually does the trick for this model. Before you start, pop off the faucet handle cover carefully. Sometimes it's hidden under a small cap or screw. Applying some penetrating oil a day before you work on it is a solid move, especially for a faucet that's been on for like 10 years, since those cartridges tend to get seized up. When you're ready to pull the cartridge, make sure you turn off the water supply completely to avoid surprises. Use gentle but firm pressure with the socket wrench. Too much force can damage the faucet body or the cartridge housing. If it's stuck, don't try to muscle it out right away. Give the penetrant more time or gently tap around the cartridge area with a rubber mallet to loosen corrosion. Once out, take note of how the cartridge sits so you can easily install the new one the same way. Lastly, check for any worn-out O-rings or seals while you're in there so you can replace those too and avoid leaks later. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with Hansgrohe faucet cartridge replacement is not using the correct deep socket size, which can strip the cartridge or damage the faucet. Fix this by measuring or confirming the size beforehand. 24mm is a common size for AXOR Citterio models. Another issue is skipping the step of applying penetrating oil in advance. If you don't do this, you might end up struggling with a stuck cartridge and risk breaking parts. To avoid that, spray some penetrant and let it sit overnight to loosen things up. A third common problem is forgetting to fully shut off the water supply before starting. This can lead to unexpected leaks or water spraying everywhere. Always make sure both hot and cold water supplies are off, and drain any remaining water from the lines before disassembling. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find reliable, local contractors who really know their stuff with plumbing and bathroom repairs. They also help contractors connect with people needing work, making it easier for everyone to get jobs done right without the usual headaches.